Hello and welcome to another episode of the Ishan Aurora Experience. Like a pregnancy test, I am also late. So this episode, Bhai or Behno, is going to be about a life update, me turning 25. Uh, I don't know. So I turned 25 on 25th May 2025. So oh shit, numbers and stuff. पर मेरे को genuinely इतना different feel नहीं होता है. I just realized that I've reached midlife crisis. अभी लोग बोलेंगे मिड लाइफ नहीं होता है, क्वार्टर लाइफ होता है. भाई बोल्ड ऑफ यू टू अज्यूम कि मैं 50 से ज्यादा जीने वाला हूँ. एपिसोड has gone off to a great start, but हाँ, I don't feel any different. I would just like to mention this कि I've finally gotten some podcast merch. Shout out Advait Sharma and Dhairya Sharma. They are not related. They happen to be my roommates for my first year. So for my birthday gift, which was very nice of them, thank you so much. They've gotten the podcast logo here, and पीछे लिखा हुआ है the Ishan Aurora Experience. So thank you so much. I will try wearing this t-shirt every day if that is physically possible. But हाँ, other than that, मेरे को ऐसे different तो feel होता नहीं है. I'm in a new age category now. I'm no longer 18 to 24. I'm 25 to 30, which just feels amazing. The fact that अब तक मेरा brain develop हो जाना चाहिए, that this is peak intelligence, it's a little concerning. But ठीक है, I feel age is just a number is what I'm going to start saying. I think that is everyone. भाई जो एक age तक you would want people to treat you older than your age. Like when I was 16, I would really feel happy when people think that I'm like 18. Now that I'm 25, I would want people to think that I'm younger than 25. मेरे को किसी ने ऑफिस में बोल दिया I look 28, which I was just like, that's not true. Firstly, I understand I'm losing hair, but what the fuck, 28? और फिर दूसरे ने तो 32 बोल दिया. I'm interning at this godforsaken place. Intern कितना हो सकता है old? But it's been good. Birthday के लिए, for whoever's interested, 24th को I went out because 25th was a Sunday. So we went out to this place called Escobar in Bandra. Shout out. वहाँ पे थोड़ा scene हुआ था, ठीक है? So I was dropping a friend नीचे and एक ही elevator था and it's on the 4th floor. तो we were waiting for the elevator और मैंने मेरे दोस्त को बोला कि भाई जैसे ही दरवाजा खुलता है चुपचाप अंदर चले जा. Don't wait for people to essentially get in और फिर आप अंदर जाओगे, लेट हो जाएगा because there were a lot of people. So we enter the lift door is about to close and there's this guy who's standing on the other side. उसको घुसने को नहीं मिला. Uncle type सी रहेंगे, early 40s. He's drunk, ठीक है? He's out of his mind drunk and he's like, तुम young लोगों को old लोगों के लिए रुकने को नहीं होता है. And he's talking to me. So I just look at him, ठीक है? मेरा shades were in one of my pockets of my shirt. I look at him as he's talking and I just do this. He like तू रुक करके door बंद हो गया. So there were a lot of other people also in my lift who I didn't know. So they were like, भाई तुम जानते हो क्या इसको? मैंने बोला no bro. Then one of the other guys was like, it looked like he was joking. Do you think he was joking? मैंने बोला I have no clue. Your guess is as good as mine. So then one of the guys said this. He was like, अगर अंकल को इतना प्रॉब्लम है तो why do these old people come to young people का places? All of us started laughing. Then this friend of mine was like, why are you creating a senior? मैंने बोला मैंने क्या किया? I just wore my shades. He was talking shit. I was just like, can't hear you bitch. Can't hear you. तो वो हुआ, drop my friend and I was going up. So I was like, अभी ये lift में नीचे आ रहा रहेगा. I will meet him. The lift खुलती है. He's like, you तू रुक. And I was just like, yeah bro, बोल क्या हुआ? So I think his wife or whoever is one of his friends was like, listen, behave yourself, okay? This is not done. And then he's like, sorry, I'm sorry for my behavior. I was like, it's fine, bro. What am I supposed to do? भाई वो औरत ना, she was the sole source of reason at that night. Because if this was someone who wasn't mature, it was going to be on site. I would have been like, हाँ, and I was like, मैं देखो बताता हूँ, and it would have led to some sort of escalation. But the fact that वो आंटी या जो भी है वो respectful ma'am थी. She was the reason why there was no fight. So, moral of the story is, women at times can also resolve a conflict. Even though they start most of it, women can also resolve conflicts. Recently, I saw this female Zomato delivery person, and I was actually happy. I was like, let's go, equal opportunities, employment. She's able to earn a living. And then I was like, it only makes sense. She knows how to cook the food. She might as well deliver it also. Why do I have to do this? But yes, that was just a observation. Other than that, yeah, May is just Maying right now. अभी धूप है. 26th को बहुत बारिश हो रही थी. Mumbai was flooded, which is not really surprising. The only thing surprising about this weather is कि इतना जल्दी बारिश आ गई. Usually June first week तक बारिश चालू हो जाता है. अभी May end में ही बारिश चालू हो गया है. Global warming or whatever, doesn't really matter. If you romanticize Mumbai rains, you are not a true Mumbaiker. ठीक है? All of us know there is nothing romantic about monsoons here. चड्डी सूखती नहीं है. Yeah, everything is just wet. And romantic माहौल होता है when you are घर पे with someone preferably. If you have to commute in this godforsaken fucking weather, आपको नहीं होगा commute करने को. Trains are delayed. Roads become swimming pool. Andheri subway, RIP. Why is it surprising? Every year Andheri subway is flooded, and every year you see a story from someone or कोई WhatsApp forward होगा कि guys please don't travel from Andheri subway, it is submerged. It is obvious. If it's not a good monsoon season unless Andheri subway is flooded. And normal days पे भी I won't recommend traveling from there. But you really have to be अव्वल दर्जे का चूतिया to travel Andheri subway से when it's fucking flooded. Everyone is surprised. Mumbai people, I think we need to have a one-on-one. Why are you surprised कि the roads are flooded? Why are you surprised तुम्हारा ट्रेन डिले हुआ है? What were you expecting? अरे बारिश हो रही है, मैं तो टाइम से पहुंच जाऊंगा काम पे. Just take a work from home, bro. And these non-Mumbaikars जो अभी अभी आए हैं because of jobs and they find it so cute. They were like, work from home today is not a luxury, it is a necessity. Shut it, bro. Mumbai people don't care. If you give a Mumbai person born and bred through and through Mumbaikar enough time, they will reach their work. We are the most professional people there is. Mexicans, fuck that. Mumbai people, we will get to our work if you give us enough notice. बारिश हो रही है, there is a cyclone, there is a bomb threat, there is baraf. Mumbai people with enough time and enough notice period and enough beforehand warning will reach their workplace. आधा घंटा लेट होंगे हम लोग, but we will reach. It's all of these people who've not lived in Mumbai for more than 5 years. They're like, आज तो मेरे से work from home ही होगा करने को. Meanwhile, you see someone from Ambernath being like, sorry boss, 10 मिनट लेट हो गया, बाढ़ आ गई थी, so I just had to fucking swim. But this is what I like about Mumbai, and this is what I know I'm saying this. This is what I like about Mumbai people. We just don't give a fuck. भाई लाइफ क्राइसिस हो रहे रहेंगे, पर्सनल लाइफ के लगे पड़े हुए रहेंगे, वी डोंट फील वेल, वी आर टर्मिनली इल, वी विल शो अप, वी विल somehow get ourselves there, and you best believe that. Why do you think Mumbai people don't want to stay anywhere else? Because any place else may they give a shit about you as a person. If you go to the US, if you go to the UK, or if you go to Finland or one of these sissy places where it's the happiest place on earth, they will tell you 5 days a week working, 5 बजे बंद मतलब बंद. मुंबई के लोगों को समझेगा ही नहीं. They'll be like, मतलब 5 बजे I can go home. हाँ, ऑफिशियल डॉक्यूमेंट पे, वर्क अग्रीमेंट पे तो 5 बजे ही बोला है, 9 to 5 बोला है, बट 5 बजे सही में जा सकते. उनका तो दुनिया ही ऊपर नीचे हो जाएगा. वो लोग छुट्टी लेने के लिए भी 2 बार सोचेंगे कि मैनेजर को बोलेंगे, एक्सक्यूज मी, कैन आई टेक दिस लीव actually it's my birthday and I would like to really celebrate with my family. हाँ, you can take this leave by all means. Take 2 more days. Just be back from Tuesday or whatever. मुंबई वाले को समझेगा ही नहीं. बोले इसने पहले बार में हाँ कैसे बोल दिया. इसने मेरे को बोला कैसे नहीं कि बर्थडे तो एवरी ईयर होता है. दिस मीटिंग इज इम्पोर्टेंट. इंक्रीमेंट चाहिए कि नहीं. दे विल बी लाइक भाई ये क्या हो रहा है. ये प्रैंक चालू है लगता है मेरे साथ. मुंबई वालों को बोल दो कि इफ यू आर नॉट फीलिंग वेल प्लीज टेक अ रेस्ट डे. प्लीज यू आर नॉट फीलिंग वेल. यू शुड प्रायोरिटाइज योर हेल्थ. दे विल बी लाइक व्हाट इज दिस सम काइंड ऑफ फकिंग जोक टू यू. उनको पचेगा ही नहीं. मतलब जब तक आदमी बीमार नहीं है, मौत के मुंह में ऑलमोस्ट ऐसा टच करने नहीं वाला है, तब तक ही कैन वर्क. ही और शी कैन वर्क. मर गया तो फिर वैसे ही काम कैसे करेगा. मरने पे भी इफ अ मुंबईकर राइट्स अ सुसाइड नोट, he will be like I can't do this, ये वो whatever reasons, but I have attached the PPT, I have sent the email, please find regards. That's how a Mumbaiker will off himself. Fuck dude, what are you expecting? You इतना बोलते हैं ना Mumbai the city of dreams. नहीं, Mumbai the city where nightmares are made. And I'm saying this as someone who's been born here. I have 3 generations of my family who've born and brought up in Mumbai. So it's fine. I wouldn't want it any other ways. I'll just get bored if I go to like a first world country. I'm like, मतलब मैं घर पे चले जाऊं. What do you mean? काम हो गया है. We can take this up tomorrow. सैटरडे को काम नहीं करना है. बिल्कुल नहीं काम करना. मतलब वो वैसे वाला नहीं कि घर पे जाके काम करना ही पड़ेगा because work is there too much. And what do you mean I should enjoy life? ये क्या है? And what do you mean you understand that I'm not feeling well? I can take it easy. मेरा मैनेजर लात मार देगा मेरे को. बोलेगा भाई तेरा प्रॉब्लम है, तेरे को मेंटल हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम है. हाँ तो काम करना फिर. ये मेंटल कुछ होता नहीं है. काम नहीं करेगा ना तेरे को मेंटल मिलेगा फिर इंक्रीमेंट में. Oh my fuck, I really hope no one from my team sees this. My team is amazing. I have nothing bad to say about my employer and my team. If you made it this far to the podcast, then shit, bro. But yeah, that's it for a quick episode. I've turned 25. I don't know how to feel about that. But I know what you guys should feel. Make sure you subscribe to the podcast. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. वहाँ पे भी थोड़ा break ले लिया था, but ठीक है, now we are getting back into it. Regular videos are coming there. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. And yeah, that's it. I'm watching Manoj Bajpayee ka The Family Guy. I know I'm late to it. Season 1 हो गया. Season 2 खत्म हो जाएगा. I will share my thoughts on it also. Other than that, that's it. I will see you guys in another episode. Till then, whoever wished me on my birthday, thank you so much. Also, a lot of them, your wishes weren't required. Just don't fucking wish me for formality's sake. It's okay. It's my birthday. Jeez, कितना attention चाहिए तुम लोगों को. That's it. I will see you guys in another episode. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.